Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 3 and that will say exercise 3.3. So here they are said find, this is 6.7 divided by 10. So here what if you are just doing this one just with the help of the ICSE, you can just get the direct answer. But if you're not using the ICSE, these are the steps. Of course these steps will be more, but there will be less errors, I can say. So if you're confident, you can minimize the steps or follow the steps. So it's up to you because we have many methods to do such type of problems. So here we can say now 6.7 can be written as, because there is after decimal there is only one number, or we can say that is a digit. So here what we can say, you can write this 67 divided by 10. This is as it is. So now whenever we have division over here, this is the left side and this is the right side. So the left side we keep the same. This will be multiplied. So since this is multiplied, so this will be 10 by 1. So this is going to be the reciprocal of it. So that will be 1 by 10. So now what we can say, 67 multiplied by this will be 10 into 10, that will be 100. So because this is multiplication, so even if the denominator is the same, we have to multiply it. So now what you can see, there are two zeros, means you will write 67 and you will go backwards 2 and put a decimal, so that will be 0.67. Same here, 657, because after decimal there is one number, so you are going to divide it by 10. If two numbers means you are going to divide it by 100, three numbers means you are going to divide by 1000, and so on. This is the same. Now we can keep this the same, but we will change this division to multiplication since we have changed this one. So this becomes the reciprocal. So that will be 1 by 100. So now this will be 657. This will be divided by 1000. So how many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3. So you will write the same number and you will go backwards 1, 2, 3 and put a decimal. Here the same thing is written in this form, so it becomes easier for most of them. They are confused when they write this and then the horizontal way. This is the vertical way. So now there are two zeros. So same thing is written here, but after decimal, we are going to put this numbers, means after two numbers, we are going to put a decimal over here. For this one, we can write here, because after decimal, there are two numbers. So we can divide this one, write 69742 divided by 100. This is the same. So we are going to keep this the same. This will be multiplied. So this is going to be the reciprocal 1 by 1000. So here the same, and this is going to get multiplied. So there will be 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write the same number and we'll go backwards 1, 2, 3, 4. And we don't have any number, so we'll put here 0. And then now these are 5 and then 0.0. For this one, we can write here after decimal two numbers. So we are going to divide it by 100 because here there are two zeros. For this, the same. This will keep the same. This will be multiplied. So this is going to be 1 by 1000. So this will be 636 divided by this. So we will write here 636 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0.0. For this one, we can write divide by 10. This is the same. This is the same. So this will be multiplied. So this is going to be 1 by 1000. So this will be 7 by, this will be 10,000. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here 7. So we don't have any other numbers, so we will keep on putting zeros. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 and then a decimal because there are 4 zeros. Same here. We'll take this 82. After decimal 1, 2, 3. So we are going to put here 3 zeros. This is the same. This will keep the same. This will be multiplied. So this is going to be the reciprocal. So 82 divided by this 5 with this one 1 and 5 zeros. So what we can do, we'll write here 82. This 5 zeros means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then a decimal. For this one, after decimal one number means you are going to divide it by 10. This is the same. Now this is the same. This will be multiplied and this is going to be 1 by 1000. So this will be 5286 divided by this 10,000. So you'll write the same number, but how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and put a decimal over here. So this is going to be divided by 10. So this is the same, this will be multiplied. So this is going to be 1 by 1000. So 837 divided by this 10,000. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 and put here. After decimal, two numbers, so you're going to divide it by 100. This will be multiplied. So this will be the reciprocal of it. So 1 by 100. So this is going to be 567 divided by this. How many zeros? 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This number will write same as it is, and we'll go 4 numbers back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put a decimal. Here now it is 9.6 divided by 4. So what we can do for 9.6, we can write, because after decimal is a one number, we can divide it by 10. So this will be multiplication. So this is going to be the reciprocal 1 by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 24s are. So that is going to be 24 by 10. So 1 0 means after this one number, you're going to put a decimal. We'll write 24. After one number, you will put a decimal. That is going to be 2.4. For this one, we can do one thing. After decimal, two numbers means you are going to divide it by 100. This will be multiplication. So this is going to get the reciprocal 1 by 2. So now 2 ones are 286 are. So 286 divided by 100. So 2 zeros means we'll write here 286, and you're going to go backwards 2 and put a decimal. So that will be 2.86. Here will be 828, and we are going to divide it by 1000, and this is going to be multiplication. So this is going to be 1 by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 8, 92s are. So 92 divided by 1000. So you'll write here 1, 2, 3 means you'll go backwards 1, 2, 3 and point over here. This will be 90 by 100 because after point there are two numbers. This will be multiplication. So this will be 1 over 15. So 15 ones are 15, 6 are. So 6 divided by 100 means it is after 1, 2. 1, 2 and then a decimal. So 0.06. For this one, after decimal, there is one number. So you are going to divide it by 10. This will be multiplication. So this is going to be 1 by 50. So what we can do? 162 divided by 500. So this we can, because it can be done by simplifying, but to make it more simple, what we can do, we'll see the denominator. We'll see the denominator should be in zeros, 1 and zeros. So what we can do, if we are multiplying this by 2, 500 multiplied by 2, we get 1000. So since this we are multiplying by 2, this also should be multiplied by 2. So to make it equivalent. So this will be 324 divided by 1000, and now it becomes easier. We'll keep 3000 as it is, and after three numbers, we are going to put a decimal. So it will be 0.324. Again, for this one, after decimal one number, so we are going to divide it by 10. This is going to be multiplied. So this is going to be the reciprocal 1 by 21. 21 ones are 21, 56 are. So 56 by 10. So 56 by 10 means there is 1 0. So after one number, you are going to put a decimal. So here what we can see, after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to put this 5 zeros. This will be multiplied. So this is going to get reciprocal. That will be 1 by 13. So 13 ones are 13s are, that is 169. So 13 divided by this. So what will you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll write here 13. So you'll go backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and put one there, point over here. Same here, after point are three numbers. So you are going to write here 3 zeros. So this will be multiplied. So this is going to be the reciprocal, the 1 by 700. So now what you can see, 2478 divided by this 7 and 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, what we can do, because this is 7, to make it more simple, we can do one of the way. You can do it your way. We can take 7, only 7 over here, and then remains is what? 7 into 1 and 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write this in this way. So that is going to be 7 we'll take below this number, and this 1 by we can put here. So hope this point is clear to you. So now what will be? 7 ones are 7, 354s are. So 354 divided by this one. So how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you are going to put a decimal. So it's up to you. You can use any other method also. Here again, after 0.4, so we are going to put here 4 zeros. This will be multiplied. So this is going to be 1 by 500. So now again the same what we can do. 1705. This 5 we can bring it below this, and this one we can take it on the other side. So that will be 1 divided by 6 zeros. So here will be 5 ones are 341. 341 divided by this one. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they will write here 341. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be point over here. For this one, we can write here after 0.2 numbers. So you are going to divide it by 100. This will be multiplication. So this is going to be 1 by 7. So it is going to be 200. And so we can do one thing. Yes, we can cut down here. 7 ones are 7207 divided by this 100. So 1, 2. After 2 numbers, there will be a decimal. So you write here 207. So after 2 numbers, there will be a decimal. Now this is slightly different. So what you can see, the denominator is 25 and the numerator is 43. So again here we have to see that if you are multiplying this by 4, this step is important. So it becomes 200. So it becomes easy to calculate. So now because this is multiplied by 4, this also will be multiplied by 4. So this is going to be 172 divided by 100. So now there are 2 zeros. So you will write a 172, you will go backwards 2 and put a decimal over here. So that will be 1.72. Same here, you can see that is 125. So 125 multiplied by 8, that is going to be 1000. So this is multiplied by 8. So this also should be multiplied by 8. So this is going to be 152 divided by 1000. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So you will write a 152. You will go backwards 1, 2, 3 and put a decimal. Same here, you can see this is 20. The denominator is 20. You can make it 200. So for the easy calculation, multiplied by 5 means this also should be multiplied by 5. 65 divided by 100. So 2 zeros means you will write a 65, go backwards 2. That will be a point. Again here the same. 50 means you can multiply by 2 to make it 200. So this also should be multiplied by 2. So 34 by 100. So that will be 1, 2. So you will go 1, 2 and put a decimal over here. Same here. What you can do, you can multiply this by 2. This also by 2. So this is going to be 2.86 divided by 100. So now this 2.86 we can write here 2.86 divided by 100, and this I have written, this is for the easy calculation. This means division. So we can also write in this one divide by 100. So let us keep this side as it is. This will be multiplied. So this becomes a reciprocal 1 by 100. So this will be 286 divided by this 10,000. So you will write here 286, but then you will go 1, 2, 3, 4 backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is going to be, there will be a point over here. So here the next one, that is 8 divided by 0.4. So what we can do here, 8, this is divided by the 0.4, we can write 4 by 10. So this will be as it is, this will be multiplied. So this is going to be the reciprocal. So that will be 10 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So this is going to be 20. This is the same, this is the same. 0.2 will be 2 by 10. So here this is the same, this will be multiplied, means this will be the reciprocal 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 48s are. So 48 tens are, that will be 480. This we can write as after decimal 2 numbers, so divide by 100. This will be 1, after decimal 1 number means 8 divided by 10. So this stays the same. This is division, so but this will be multiplied. So this becomes a reciprocal, that will be 10 by 8. So 8 ones are 8 41s are, 10 ones are 10 tens are. So that will be 41 by 10. 1 0 means you will go backwards 1 and put a decimal over here. For this one, that will be 3468 divided by 1000. This is going to be 24 by 10. So this is the same, multiply by this 10 by 24. So 24 ones are 24. That will be 144.5. And 10 ones are 10 hundreds are. So 144.5 divided by 100. So in this case, what we can do, there are two zeros and there is a decimal over here. So we can go backwards till 2. Here already there is a decimal, go backwards 2. So the decimal is going to be, it will switch here. So that will be 1.445 because it is divided by 100. So be careful with this step. Here 2.25, after this two numbers, so that will be divided by 100. Same, after two numbers means decimal is there and there are two numbers here. So 15 by 100. So this will same. This will be multiplied. So this becomes the reciprocal 100 by 15. 15 ones are 15. 15s are 225. And this will be ones are. So answer is 15. Here will be 30.94 means two numbers means 100. This is the same. 7 by 10. This is going to be the same. This will be multiplied. So this is going to be 10 by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 4, 4, 2. 10 ones are 10, 10s are. So 442 divided by 10. So 1 decimal means you will write here 44.2. This will be 137 by 10. This will be division. This is going to be 8 by 100. This is going to be the same. This will be multiplied. And this is going to be the 100 by 8. So this will be, this 10 ones are 10, 10s are. And here we can write here 8 ones are. And 8, 17.125. So here what you can see is 17.125 multiplied by 10. So this is multiplied by 10. That was in the first case, that was divided by 10. This is multiplied by 10. Means the decimal is over here. So this will go 1 forward. So that will be 171.25. When it is multiplied, it will go 1 forward. For this one, we can write here 3645 and we can, after decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. This is the same. So 3 zeros. So now we will keep this the same. This will be multiplied, means this is going to be the reciprocal. 81 ones are 81, 45s are. These 3 zeros are cancelled. So 45 divided by 1000. So 1, 2, 3. So this 45. So after 3, there is a decimal. Same here. Divided by 100. Same. So what will you do? This will be multiplied. So this is going to be 4 by 1 means 1 by 4. 4 ones are 1302. So 1302 divided by 100. So 2 decimals means 2 zeros means you are going to put after 2 numbers, we are going to put a decimal. This will be divided by 100. 6 by 10. This is the same into 10 by 6. So 6 ones are 6. 234.5. 10 ones are 10, 10s are. So 234.5 divided by 10, because now this is divided means you will go backwards 1 because this is 10. So put a decimal over here, that will be 23.45. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of other parts. Thank you.